Save money like a champion with Allstate. Championship savings for the win. And by sleep experts at Mattress Firm, unjunk your sleep today. When you are 0 for 4 in this game, can you sleep best? Jackson go off to this one. Veron Jackson. For a strange game that is not involved in Jackson. Hurricane Ida. The infrastructure situation in New Orleans. They are displaced for 8 years. The rest of the month. Training in Texas, the Saints are. Initially went to Dallas, now they're at TCU. Well, they're in good hands. I mean, they have great leadership with Sean Payton. Maybe notice that whole organization so well run, so they'll get to it as a challenge. Their second home game of the season, this will be one tomorrow, will be actually at home, I believe, against the Giants at the T-Mobile game.